Hi, and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie, and I'm your host, and you are looking at my first giveaway of May. I am so excited to show you guys all of the wonderful stuff that I've put together. So let's go ahead and start with the yarn, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is this Vitellana Tiptoe sock, all right? We've got 2 hanks of these, and let me go ahead and tell you the specs on this. It is 45% superwash merino wool, 40% linen, and 15% nylon. It is a fingering weight, but you get 400 yards in each of these hanks for a total of 800 yards. The hook size is anywhere from US size B to US size E, and this is in a lovely spring green color, right? That yarn came from Knit Crate. The next thing I want to talk about is this shawl in a ball. So it is a 4-weight, but it is a very light 4-weight. I want to just go ahead and show you that. Yeah. It's very lightweight, perfect for hot weather. It's 61% cotton, 34% acrylic, and 5% other fiber. The other fiber is this sparkle in there. If you can see it catching the light, there is this sparkle. And so that's what the other fiber is. This is by Lion Brand, and you get 5.3 ounces, 150 grams. There is 481 yards, or 440 meters in this ball. Right, so you get a shawl and a ball. Right, next up I want to show you this Red Heart Unforgettable. We've got 2 skeins of this. So I just absolutely adore the colors. They are so vibrant, they're so bright, and they remind me of spring with all of those beautiful bright colors. Just looks like everything is in bloom. This is in the colorway Parrot, and this is also a 4-weight yarn, but I just want to show you that it's a little bit thin for a 4-weight, at least by, I mean, it's definitely a 4-weight, but it is a little bit thin for a 4-weight in general by Red Heart standards, although it's definitely a weight 4. This is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams are 270 yards, okay, or 246 meters, and that's per skein, so you have 2 of them. And that's really, really beautiful. All right, so the next yarn that I want to show you is this. This is really special yarn. It is handmade in India. It is hand painted, and it's really beautiful. There's not a whole lot of yardage here. There's only 52 yards in each one of these cakes. However, I do have a pattern for this, and I will email you the pattern if you win this giveaway, okay? So I do want to make sure you know that. I wanted to put this in here because I do think it's really special yarn, and I wanted to make sure you got a very wide variety of yarn from different companies. All right, so next up we have this Premier Wool-Free Sock Stripes, and this is in the color Berry Bush. All right, got all those pinks and purples. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is a super fine or 1-weight, okay? There is a sock pattern on the back of the label, and each one of these has 235 yards in it, okay? And you don't have to make socks out of these. It's just something to keep in mind. And I just want to say that I thought that these might go together really well, yeah? Alrighty, so last with the yarn is we have one of these huge Hobie yarns. This beautiful cake. This is over 1,000 yards here, okay? And it has this easy pull tab. This is a Cotton King Deluxe, okay? And this wanted to show you that this is a thin weight, but you can make a really, really beautiful lightweight shawl or a wearable out of this. You could, I mean, obviously you can make whatever you want. It is just so stunning the way it goes from white to light pink, and it gets darker and darker until it ends with this purple. I just think that it's so gorgeous. So that is it for the yarn. Let's go ahead and move on to the notions and hooks and all of that wonderful stuff. Okay. So first, I wanted to talk about this notions pouch. So this notions pouch came from Darn Good Yarn. Okay, it's very sizable. It's just a zipper pouch though. It doesn't have a whole bunch. It doesn't have like extra pockets in there. And it has the Darn Good Yarn label on the back of it, and Start It Love is part of their slogan there. So in this notions pouch, I will be putting a measuring tape, and this one has a little daisy on it. I will be putting in 25 stitch markers, and we have 10 that are pink, 5 that are blue, 5 that are green, and 5 that are yellow. So you will have enough colors and variety to be able to keep your projects organized. All right. I also am including this. This helps you know what size hook you're using. You just put your hook through that and it'll tell you the millimeters. All right. And so I'm actually holding it upside down. So this is also from Darn Good Yarn. It's a lotus flower gauge measuring tool. And I thought that that would go with the theme, with it being May and flowers and all of that. You'll also get some scissors, and it has this protective case here with it. You'll get a very large array of darning needles. You will get a row counter, and the way that this works is that you press this big button. Every time you finish the row, you just press it and it will start counting up. And when you want to clear it, you hold down this small button and it will clear it back to 0. All right. And this does have little notches that you can put on your finger if you want, or you can just do what I do and just let it sit right there. And that's perfectly fine too. All right. I've also included some spring green buttons, and let's talk about these hooks. Look at these. So these hooks have flowers on them, and they have a nice grip to them, and I absolutely love them. They are from sizes 2.5 millimeter to 6.5 millimeter, and so you have a whole set of hooks to work with. So that is nice. So I'm going to put all of those in there. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and zip this up here. And now that all of that is in there, I can keep that like that. Look at what I'm including. Look at that. It's a Hobie candy. All right, I told you guys I don't like these. It's still in the wrapper. You are going to get a piece of that Hobie candy that apparently is so great. I personally don't like it. It's cherry flavored, and to me it tastes like cough syrup, but I know a lot of people love it, so including that. I am also including this beautiful book where you can write down notes about your project in it. It has flowers on it, and I am including these sparkly pins. One of them is pink and the other one is gold. I have also included a candle and some hand lotion for some self-care there. And I also have a 500-piece puzzle. I really like the idea of giving away a puzzle last time, so I purchased a couple of them that had some handmade items on it. I thought that this would be a really great item to put in a giveaway. It's got some flowers on it and all of that great stuff. So again, it's 500 pieces, so it's not too hard. And I thought that this would just be a really great thing to include in this particular giveaway. I'm going to put this off to the side so you can see this bag that I have underneath here. I also have 2 more coloring books. We've got Tropical Blooms and another Calming Crochet coloring book. You guys might remember, if you've been with me, that this same coloring book was in a different giveaway. Now, the one thing that I do not have pictured here, because it's in the mail, is I don't have any more colored pencils with me to show you, but I will be including colored pencils, Crayola coloring pencils, for these coloring books, okay? Obviously, you saw before that I have this red canvas tote bag, so that's part of the giveaway as well. And then I also have another canvas tote bag with flowers on it that I thought would bring that theme of flowers together, as we always say, or maybe not always, but we say April showers brings May flowers, right? So I am going to put this yarn back on the table so you can look at that while I go over the terms and conditions. All right, guys, this is a really great giveaway. It is valued at $150 US, and it includes just about anything anyone could want. It will build your stash up and give you a whole bunch of different yarn to work with for a crochet project. All right, so let me go ahead and read the terms and conditions, and please stay and listen to the very end so that you know exactly how to enter, all right? Okay, here we go. YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any manner. This is my giveaway, purchased with my money for subscribers to my channel, NicheCraft. This giveaway is open to residents of the United States and Canada. The monetary value of this giveaway is about $150 USD. To enter the giveaway, you must subscribe to NicheCraft, like this video, and leave a comment to this video with the word flower in it. Right? I will choose a winner by random comment picker at 6 p.m. on May 15th, 2022. The random comment picker will be set to only pick a comment with the word flower in it, so you must use the word flower in your comment to qualify. If you win this giveaway, you must email me with a mailing address within 10 days of the announcement of the winner. If the winner fails to send me an email by May 25th, 2022, I will be forced to pick a new winner on May 25th. Good luck, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.